turn around your hive. I'm a king bee.
There were enough of them to block out the sun. It was like night had fallen.
Oh no!
What could it be?
That's pretty cool.
I'm a king bee. I want you to be my queen. I'm a king bee. I want you to be my queen. Well, you know we can make honey the world ain't never seen. Well, you know we can make honey the world ain't never seen.
Him off trying to make sure that he's got the queen. If he doesn't have the queen, it doesn't do any good. Just let it crawl.
Yeah. Move away, but don't hit it.
Yeah, just let it crawl. Come here.
If you could see this, all these bees are circling up here and they're all going in the hole on the top of the hive.
Huh.
But a lot of them are all fanning. That's why these guys are circling, because they haven't quite figured Yeah, see how they all got all their butts up in the air?
Yeah.
They're telling everybody that. Should I just push the button again, shut it off?
Yep.